displays the forwarding table entry for specific prefix. If you have two active prefix out of same destination, can be whichever is using by fib, means it's active routing. These are some comments regarding the OSPF protocol. Show router OSPF neighbor. It will show the neighbor. What is the, from which interface? What is the neighbor IP? What is the status? Okay, and the related values here. If you want to see the show router databases, okay, generally you know different type of OSPF area 0, area 1, okay, there will be different databases will be there. You can see here show router OSPF database. It is showing that from area 7 I'm learning this is the prefix, link state ID, advertiser router, what's its age, and is a sequence number, checksum, okay, complete detail. If you want to see particular database value, then you can give detail. With the detail, if you give, it will give more detail regarding the database. Okay, similarly, like OSPF, we can run for ISIS as well. It's the same command is show router ISIS neighbor, ISIS database, similar commands. Okay. Here it's a LDP related commands here. Show router LDP session. From this router, how many LDP neighbors are there? What is the adjacency type? Is it a targeted? Okay, here you can see it's a targeted. Means it is not directly connected. It is somewhere it is there. We're using targeted LDP. The neighborship has been achieved here. What is status established? Message exchange count here. And what is the uptime? Means since when it is. Okay, that's what we can see here. Displays the LDP TCP session of the neighbor here. See here, I am having the LDP session. I want to see LDP bindings I received from those neighbors. This I can see from the two commands are there. Show router LDP bindings are active. If it is a, see, I can receive multiple LDP bindings, but active also I can see. Okay. This is the prefix I use, means I got it. And what is the function? Here operation is push. And what is the ingress label, egress label here? Okay, ingress, egress label, and egress port, and next stop, egress next stop. Here we saw only the LDP bindings which received from the neighbor. If you want to see the service labels for L2 circuits, okay, that you can see with this command. Show router LDP binding service ID, that service number. See, generally L2 circuits, for services to work, we need to have the service labels, either L3 or L2. L3 will be using exchange using MPBGP. Okay. Here L2 circuits, either it will be ePipe or VPLS. Generally it will be exchanged using TLDP. Okay. That TLDP used to exchange the service label. You can see here I am seeing what is the service label for this service. Okay. For L2 circuit, you can see. So SVC ID is this one and peer is this one. Okay. Ingress, what is the ingress egress label and what is the MTU? Means remote MTU and local MTU details here. Okay. Under the service, what are the configuration? That it is shown there. Okay. This is the service related. And you can see here it's a MPLS path, transport labels. Okay. Transport path detail we can see using the commands show router MPLS path and show router MPLS LSP. Okay, these are some commands which you use to see the RSVP MPLS LSP detail. Okay, it is showing show router MPLS path. How many paths we have configured? Okay, these are the path details. Okay, and what is the status here? It's general information. Yeah, same command here. Show router MPLS LSPs. How many LSPs are available now? Okay, and to which peer? Okay, these are the peer number. Is it admin status is as and operator status? Okay, what is up or down? It's showing.
Manju, it will show the path, complete path, like example.
Yeah, it will show. You just run the show path MPLS LSP, this LSP name. Okay, detail, path detail. If you give, it will give complete path detail as well.
So show router MPLS LSP and router
LSP name. LSP name.
LSP
This is
name,
LSP.
okay.
Yeah, LSP name, path detail. If you give the command, it will give complete LSP detail along with that path detail, which is the primary path it is using. Complete detail will be there. See the commands, there are thousands of commands are there. Okay, we are just going through the basic commands. If you dig down into the this one, right, CLI, we'll be having thousands of commands regarding everything. Okay. See here, here this command is show service using, means we want to see what are the services configured under the chassis. You just run this command, show service using. It will show service number, what is the service type, is it up or down, okay. Complete information it will show in a single command here. Here there are VPN services are configured. These are the VPN service detail, and here are the ePipe services, L2, service number, pipe, okay, it is up or down. But it will show everything, easy to refer. If you want to see more information regarding the each service, then we having separate commands. See, this is the service service detail. If you want to see the SDPs, then show service SDP. It will give total number of SDPs configured under this chassis and its operation status as well. Okay, these are the SDP. This column shows that SDP number, admin MTU. What is the MTU? Operation MTU. It's a peer detail. Okay, and it's up or down status here, operation and admin or operation status. It's a protocol on which means so for each SDP we required LDP or RSVP or BGP, okay, which is a protocol it is using. Here the protocol is LDP and the signaling it is using is targeted LDP, TLDP, okay, that's what it shows. Earlier command we just here show service using, show service SDP. Now we can see how many SAPs. Now next command shows that here show service SAP using. SAP using means how many SAPs are there. Generally SAPs are the point where these means it is the services are delivered to the customer. It's a customer point, okay, from our router. And complete SAPs under the chassis, it will be shown in the single line, okay, display. This is the SAP number and this is a service number. This service is using this is one SAP which is configured under this service we can consider, okay. If you want to see more regarding more information, you can, I will show further some commands are there. This is a summary command, okay, regarding the SAPs. Displays all SAPs configured on the router and its associated service IDs and its state, okay, that's what here we are showing. Show service using ePipe. See the earlier command what it showed here, it just means it's showing complete VPR and ePipe combined, okay. If you want to only see ePipe services, if you want to see only VPR and services, then we can give extra show service SAP show service using that this one service type. Either if I want to see the ePipe, then only ePipe services will be showed here. Okay, instead of ePipe, if you give VPRN, only VPRN services will be displayed. Okay, instead of all. This is the summary. If you want to see the more information regarding the service, always first command you need to use is this command. Okay, show service ID, that number, base command. Okay, if you give this command, either it's VPRN, L2, ePipe, or it's a VPLS, anything, okay. If you give this base, it will give complete information regarding that particular service. Okay, what is the service type? Oh, okay, it's a ePipe service number. Okay, description is there here. When it is a last change, okay, when it is configured or modified, okay. This is a management change, configuration change. It is a last change status is a flap, means if it is if any status got changed, okay, this column will be updated. How many SAPs has been configured, how many SDPs has been configured, okay, and the SAP and SDP detail and its associated operation status, everything, complete information regarding that service will be displayed using this command. Okay, show service ID. This one, I think they are given here on. It's a not epipe, it is a base. Okay, base command. See, this is the onum. This one onum command here. You want to see the SDP. Check the SDP MTU path. I want to see what is the path MTU. Okay, for that SDP, then we can use this command om SDP MTU size. Okay, this is a MTU number. Okay, size increment. It's from 1400 till 900. Okay, it is checking from 1400 till 9000 size. In step of 400, you check it out. That's what I'm here. Means it will send say packets with the first 1400. It is success. With 1800 means each 400 it will add and it will send the SDP ONM packets. Okay, to test the path. If it is if path is consider my path MTU somewhere it is 4000 is configured. Okay, might be here it will fail. It will fail. Okay. Let's say in somewhere in the path it is getting failed here. But in this case till 9000 the path MTU is fine. That's what. Okay, from 1400 till 9000 I am testing my path MTU. Here one more command, show service ID. Yeah, before what I shown is means in this command here, show service at base, it will give general information regarding the complete service and it will show SDP. But I want to see for this service what is the more. I want to see more information regarding that SDP or SAP detail. Okay, this is the command, show service ID. Till here the same. After that I'm using SDP number, associated SDP binding number. Okay, with the detail if I give, it will give complete details regarding that SDP. Okay, what is a path MTU? Okay, what is the far end means tunnel far end. Okay, and if any issue is in the SDP flaps, okay, that it will be updated here. And if it is down, okay, due to some reason if you consider my SDP is down, then it will be flagged. It will show why it is down. Okay, if my SDP associated SDP is down here, you will see operation state is down. In that case, you need to run. If you run this command, you will see reason for down here. Okay, flags will be there. Flag will be given why it is down. Either transport tunnel is down generally. Okay, that is one example I'm telling. Okay, it will give reasons here why my path is down. SDP path is down. Since it is up, so the flag is showing done here. See, similarly, earlier we saw that monitor port commands is there. Like we can monitor the service as well. Means traffic stats for particular SAPs or traffic stats for particular SDP. Okay, that we can monitor using this command. Monitor service ID, that service number, SAP. I am monitoring the statistics for that particular SAP here. Okay, if you get this command here, ingress egress stats will be shown here, but in this case it is 00. Okay. See, earlier we discussed one command, show router LDP session. Okay, after that we can start here. I think yeah, this command already discussed. I think it's repeated here. Earlier I said that means I want to see the service service labels and MTU for L2. Same command here, show router LDP binding service number. That number if you give here, these are the service labels. Okay. And this is a MTU, remote MTU and local MTU. Means in this we can see peer configuration, the service, whatever the service is there L2, that MTU as also we can see here, and local MTU. And if it is ingress egress label, if it is not exchange, then here it is show none. In that case, we can see there is a issue in the exchange of the labels. Okay, we will see. But in this case, everything is clean, so it is showing here. Okay, displays the label bindings for ePipe services, service labels and local and remote MTUs. Per service, local and remote MTU must be same as to service to VM. Okay, what is this line means here? Local MTU and remote MTU should be same. If it is there is a difference, then my service will be shown as a down. Using this command, we can see. If you see, run this command, if there is a difference, my service will be in down state. That's what the meaning here. I think this command we already discussed. Show service using. Earlier we saw ePipe, instead we are given VPLS. This command showing the number of services which are configured, VPLS services, especially VPLS services. That's what it's showing now. It's a service ID, VPLS. What is a VPLS type, and it's a status, operation status. Okay. Yeah, regarding VPLS, VPLS we know generally means router will learn the MAC address from the customer end. Okay, we want to see the MAC addresses, then this command show service ID, VPLS service number, FDB detail, displays the MAC table entries, learning and its aging time per VPLS. Okay, you can see here, this is the service number. Along with this, this is the MAC which I am learning under this SAP. Under this 112:2018, I am learning all this MAC address. Means this MAC being learned from the SAP end, from the SAP port, and it's aging. Generally, aging will be 300 seconds. Okay, after that it will be flushed out. Show service using VPRN. Same command here once again. Earlier we saw ePipe, then VPLS, then this command is giving VPRN. Means the services which are configured as a VPRN, it is displaying here. Okay, this is the VPRN number, VPRN service, and its operation status. Earlier we show the same command. No? Show service ID, service number base. Either is L2, ePipe or VPLS or any service, we can use the same command. Okay, if you here in VPRN, it will give more information. See here, what is the RD, route distinguisher, VPRN type, regular. Different types of VPRNs are there, but it's a regular type. Some are hub and spoke will be there. In that case, it will show hub and spoke. Okay, ES number, what is the router ID, VPRN number, name, description. Okay, is it up or down? We can, if it is any import export policies are there, that you will so you can see here. VRF import policy under this service is this one. VRF export policy, it is using this. These are the policies. Okay, means using this command we can see complete service details in a single display. Okay, and associated SAPs. If any SAPs are there, it will show here, but in this case SAPs is 0. That's what is showing here. Okay, in this router they are configured, but there is no interface enabled. That's the reason there is no SAP enabled, so it is showing SAP is 0. They have configured RVPLS, but the thing is, I think interface they have configured. It has been configured interface. There is a RVPLS binding has been enabled between VPLS to L3 to L2 binding is there. Okay, that's what it's showing here. See, earlier also we saw show router. Without this number, if you give routing table, it will give routing table in the base instance. Okay, without any VPN service. If you give any number, means instance number, it will give particular show router. After that router number, we can use multiple commands is there. Okay, multiple. But in this case, we are using routing table. We want to see what is the routing table for this under this particular instance. Okay, this is the that's what it is. This prefix I learned from the this is the parent with the tunnel. Okay, I learned it as a BGP VPN. It is a MPBGP protocol. On MPBGP protocol, I learned these are the routes. Okay, and this is a local interface. Means under this router VPN, there is a one interface is there with this IP. That's what local says. Okay, and remaining all route prefixes learned via MPBGP. These are the routes. Generally, you'll see if it is learned from BGP, it will be 170 prefix. Preference. This is a preference value. Tunnel, it is telling that to reach this node, I need to have a tunnel. Okay, there will be one tunnel. I think tunnel is generally it is showing that there is a LDP tunnel available to reach this prefix. That's what the meaning here. Okay.
Manju, can you go up related to that LDP router ID? Is the same router ID, or it will show the peer router ID?
No. This always we want to see the local router peer ID. The local router this number.
No, not that one. Can you go bit up? Here you have shown router ID, right? VPR and type.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
This router ID is a peer router ID, or
no. It's a
local router ID.
Yes. See, peer router ID is somewhat it's configured under a BGP context. Okay.
Yeah.
That is show router BGP summary. You will see that output. Okay. This is for under the VPRN.
When you check the VPRN, right, it will show the tunnel, correct? At that moment, parented interface will be shown, right? I suspect like this router ID is